no problem e wo ho no esiase nana ade na dada menye eni.
All right, ebusua ka bim from Ghana and Sam TV so eri am so any promise Ghana no say no say one of the problem I war and then no politics I dey bibia me ba be video bi actual na yenwa bi a office room na all chere de nti a srim ebeche ansa na develop na we na all video no comment section na say dem mo say adentina enda NDC abano and all complaining about these issues. Now, Abraham people, they didn't see him complain about these issues. And they don't know, acquire a little arguments are more heavy. But the question is that on train to say now by me be ban sana, what be raising these issues and there be because as a citizen of this country, our right say a brabia or no feel so pebiano or be raising issue. Let's say years back, not only platform today, he has a platform. And he feels like today, no, and also can want some carboni bene womb. Now, so busunya in seminal, Samian Casameka Chirawa, and I'm say any day. And until you in some of the tuja, any day and I'm swa, Sassimuna by Nivia, Yansu Nebet Maba Chaya drink, Ewan, Higher Gun and some TV, best I say, or best subscribe to channel, Ediama Uyanswa. Now I like it, now I share, young combra.
Yo, my baby video, Obi Bisami say, no problem I war on, a Sassian Nana. Ade na dada menye NDC ba so na me complain minua se na me ni platform na e di complain na se enne na manya eno nche se MP bia ba so no ma me complain me sra se wo pese wo bo party aba so a kokoto phone to data be TikTok na fa bo ma ba so by se me hu problem I face in northern region Savannah upper east upper west north east I'll complain it ma me nchira wade Sisala West DC. Tie de oka. Asam we oka che me amede na mabowachi.
Tell us something about Sisala West.
Thank you. Honorable Chair, Sisala West is very peaceful. We are doing very well. The district is largely an agric zone. We produce a lot of cereal crops. I think most of the grains you see, the maize and the soya, comes from Sisala area. And in terms of our challenges, our major challenge has to do with the deplorable nature of our roads. I am sad to say that Sisala West is one of the districts with the worst road network in the whole of the Upper West region. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Sawati. Ono no wa kire problem awo o chese Sisala West kuya na omuye no ho nua na ye de ba safa ha bebre dudu na no efiri Sisala West na mom omu problem omu challenge kase pa road network the road network no o say Upper West baby a road anya kura no Sisala West mede na ma blame no na tie de yamami ono so ka kire ene ne committee no e ka kire no.
Time they drilled those boreholes, I was not there. That is why he wants to come in and help.
MC, you are supposed to be in charge of the assembly. You are representing the president. Do you know that?
Yes, Madam Chair.
I'm not seeing certain things well. Is everything okay?
No, I'm okay, Madam Chair.
No, you, everything. I don't see the body language and things around that top there. I don't see it as. Can you relax? Because if you tell me, so this year, your MP has not dug any borehole this year, has not supported with water. And you have water crisis, and we have more than 17 people telling us you have water crisis. And water is life. Why is that so?
What you also know, dear? Aha. It is a way say no. I don't know Bonachi. Committee no, I'm a watch as and so problem omodia aba ho no nipa be 17 and aba complain me nwa mi bisa nipa 17 na omko complain kire committee no wo fi say omo ye MPP for ana wonyi ni say omo ye NDC for because omo pese DC no wo ye adwuma na president no or achieve ne aim na o pese wo ye no president won fa MC no kwotana say onye de opa bia wo a wo ka no say wo pe party ni ya obi ye ade na nya ka ena wo ka che me say common fan on southerness no gye no enye no bi na northerness no gye problem e whatsapp ha no e bi kura so esen north de no problem am face no eso sen north no is only that they are working on it omo ye ho adwuma nti me kan tell me say me complain because wa ban na wo so se wa ban ti so Ghana nya Ghana me be kan say nanado e de contact ama northerness ama one village one dump o man ye no omo mbedama wona nya MPP for na man complaining me be kan wa say president Kufuor buy no o seti northern acceleration development fund eno nya MPP for na o de ma omo o man ye no man complaining ndi so wo hesa wo party no mom na wo dwene ho ese wo nkofo na wo ho na omo bre na kokope phone na bo party na baso ba me mom na nya party na me ya adwuma ma se MPP ye na nya me meka NDC ye na nya meka sa na tie se NDC ye na ya meka MPP yisu ye na ya meka why
Tino yansamo wakwa bi on Fambra Ghana Nsem TV so na America no make sure say we subscribe to channel no e dia mayen na ebusunya sa wo hwe video ya me no kokoshe ya abranti nidin ede eye Soldier1 na ofi northern region na unse in the video no oyi video bi na one of the MCs, I think so there are two obaba ko na be ma ba ko ekopie mu ewo eye local government eye committee eno no hono mo no na DCs ni MCs no so eko na omko sha local government committee no mo de eye ebra omo ba ya omo abo no as MCs and DCs no eko to local government committee nanim na yehwe say ejuma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na mampini de omko eso mkonko ye no mo ye ni ya na omo ni omo MPs omo various constituency and district no eye ejuma se ne fata se ne be ya Bosha MPs ne so kokoko share during election time no ombetimi aboa na kire se ombetimi di bosha no se ne be ya the next election no ombetimi asenya vote every a constituency and district no ehonum na we and one of the MCs ne kokko piemu ewo je say local government committee no anymore amino nyina share video na otin samwe ko so na Soldier1 kire say with this kind of people se oni omo ewo eye omaimu a na omnom ye leaders a omo lead war the probability says place na omo free no e be develop no ewo from because let's assume say this person is your MC or DC from the response of the man with the questions you busa no tells you clearly say number one, he is not ready to work with a member of parliament. Number two, he feels like he has the power or she has the power to do everything that opesa on here. But the truth is that say who your MC, who your DC, na say appoint to as DC and MC or district and as a constituency and a municipal bia. I was saying who say government no edwa kwase kono replace no. I was so timini MP or one of the team here because the MP was voted for. You were just appointed by the president. But the member of parliament, nipa kwasa line on matching to Abama making kind of renee. And that person went throughout the constituency, towns a womb, and make promises to these people say, Samutu Abama mename ba. This and this and this and this are the things that meba. You understand? This and this and this are the things I'm adding. Meba ababe. What do I say? So when you have been elected as the MC or the DC, appointed, as the MC or the DC, and you don't work with your MP, the popular kind of saying. The chance of say ubetime developers are constituency and district no low. The probability say the district and as constituency development back from no low. So if you have this kind of people in your region, it is going to be very hard for your constituency, your municipality to develop. And this is what Soldier1 is talking about. So it doesn't matter who is in government. The previous government is out. Therefore, this government is in power for the next 3 years and some months, less than 2 months, let's say 3 years, be a no, this government is going to be in power.